y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ebony Nicole back again with another video. You guys, I have an exciting video today because to all my ladies out there, I mean, once the quarantine is over, like, can't last for too long. Rona got to go. I just want to say it's gonna be time for the arms out. It's gonna be time for chest to be, about to show off, chest to be out. Not like that, but like, you know, skin. I'm gonna be showing some skin, yes. So we need something to keep us covered. You know, you need a little pasty, you need a little tape to hold you up, hold you together, because sometimes bras really get in the way and sometimes they're really annoying, like so annoying. So, and just in case like you don't have a convertible bra, like what are you gonna do? I mean, unless if you know you're carrying not so heavily, then you can go without a bra. But me personally, I'm carrying a load and I don't like to be braless at all. So my great girls at HighOh sent me over their boob tape. Come on and focus. Boob tape and pasties. So the link will be in the description. You can get this as a bundle deal and it'll come with two tapes and 2 packs of pasties. And I mean, like, there's a lot of pasties in this one pack. It's got to be at least 10, I'd say. And when I say this was so easy to use, like it was so easy to use. And I had to slip up because I was like, I didn't like the way it looked. Well, I didn't like the way, I felt like I did it wrong, which is no really right way to do it, but I just felt like I could have did it another way. So I took it off, and like taking it off was so easy. But to take the tape off, whenever you're ready, you just use like some baby oil or like some coconut oil or olive oil or something. Just put it on like on your skin and like easily like peel the tape off. Let me tell y'all, it took me less than, it took me like 10 minutes just to get everything right, everything situated. And I literally have on no bra. But you could never tell. I told my mom, I said, Mom, look, I said, does it look like I have on a bra? And she was like, yeah. It's like, no, I don't. But I will show you all how to use it. So I'll show you guys how to use the HighOh boob tape. So basically it comes, it looks like an ace bandage. Basically it's rolled up like an ace bandage. It looks like an ace bandage, literally. So, and it comes with like this grid lines on the back. I mean, not that you need to like cut evenly. I think we'll do this side. So I'm just gonna take a piece of this, and about that should be enough. I'll use the lines since they're there to guide me. Simply cut the tape where you want it. And all right, so once you have the piece of tape that you want, just separate it from the paper from the tape. And as you can see, it's really sticky and flimsy. All right, so now we're gonna take this side and I'm just gonna place it a little further down. We'll try to like pick up and pull. And you just place it like all the way on the back. Like that, like so. And that's it. And nobody can tell. They don't know if you have on a bra. They don't know if you do have on a bra. Quite frankly, it's nobody's business. But that was close up with Eb. This tape is so easy to use, and it's just like boom, blam, boom. So if you have on something like this, I would recommend going from like side to side. So like you would take the tape like so. If there was tape on here, peel it apart, and you would like start pulling it like that. And then grab your other side and you would pull it along to like put them together, And then you would take another piece and put it underneath, and then you can do like the same, like right up. Well, depending on wherever your top is gonna stop at, then you would make sure that the tape is stopping right there so that you can't see it underneath. And I mean, it's so comfortable and it feels like natural. Like I feel like it feels cool, like, and you don't have to wear a bra. That's the thing. Because as much as I like wearing one, I don't like wearing one, especially like strapless bras, because it gets like so uncomfortable for me. I don't know about anybody else, but I think a lot of ladies do have issues with strapless bras because it's just like, I don't know, it just cut in you, and then you gotta pull it up and make sure it's like up, and then you got like the top part and it could be like jiggling out or whatever. But with this tape, it kind of keeps everything in you know, intact, keeps everything secure with no problems. So yeah, make sure you all click the link in the description and get your HighOh Boob tape and your pasties. Very lit. I live, okay? So that's all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the link in the description. Make sure you get your HighOh Boob tape to be quarantine ready, because once outside is open, it's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah. All right, y'all, see you guys in the next video. Bye.